Thanks for tuning in, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, don't forget to smash that like button.
Okay, this is my small wheel adapter for the belt sander. I didn't record this project. I had too many projects on the go at the same time. But the idea is that it slips into the same receptacle the other attachments do. It bolts this platen on and then holds these arms that will then correspondingly hold these small wheel rollers, so you can grind at a small diameter. I turned these down on the lathe, pressed these bearings in. I even made this fancy little holder on the plasma table. It will hold these small length wheels as well as this special one I made with a follower bearing. The idea being it could slip into this same bracket with an additional spacing here, be turned up and used like a router. It's a pattern follower. So the material will roll here and it'll grind at the top portion where the belt rides. So that's the configuration it's in currently. So the last piece of the puzzle here is my belt. Once going around this small wheel, it hits just about here. So I want to place another wheel here to track the belt underneath. I got some aluminum. I'll try and turn that down into a wheel, press some bearings into it. It's going to need a bracket to support it, something like this. Be welded back on here at the right spacing. Weld around here, try and make this look a little more aesthetic than it does currently, and we'll bolt through. So let's get to work. So this is the slug we ended up with. It's 2 1/4 end to end, put a bevel on each end. Still need to counter drill the bearings, but I want to kind of work out where this is going to fit. As you can see, it's going to carry the belt below this edge so that it's not riding down here. This distance, it's 1.5 inch bar, 3/8 on either side. So this is a pretty tight fit. We're gonna have to countersink the bearings so that a nut will fit in there and hold it tight up against the brace. And speaking of the brace, this is the piece I was utilizing or planned on utilizing. This is from another project. It just doesn't have the material here that I think this is gonna want for strength and rigidity. It just isn't a large enough distance here. So this is from another failed project that I think I could squeeze a little bit more space out of. It also kind of fits this same design. If I put it something like that, maybe rounded this corner and drilled that hole a little deeper down here. It's a 1/2 inch hole, you know, rounded this over and trimmed it to size back here. Might look a little bit more intentional. So I'm going to work on that. I want to get this position just right so it's not interfering with any of the arms, and we'll finish drilling this out on the lathe.